if you're going to do something, do it really well. Whether it be gardening, painting, singing opera. Basically, I tell you what, here's the quote for the day. With your fun and fine art with Mary Jennings, go hard or go home. I'm going to try this. Let's see. Daggone it. Oh, I can't do this. Well. Last week I was preaching about go hard or go home. Do the best you can. Then I realized, Mary, you are at home. Then I got to thinking, sometimes we just have to go home. Sometimes we just have to retreat. We have to not escape necessarily, but just retreat. Then I got to thinking, that sounds fun. Like a good time to repair. Yep, that's what I'm thinking. Good fun in repairing and restoring. And then you can go rock and roll. Anyway. I wish I were alone right now because I've got people laughing at me. And not only that, my face is hardening right now because this is a clay mask. I bet you're wondering why my face is green. My face is green because I have been enjoying the wonderful how-to videos on YouTube. I've been watching all the makeup shows, all the cosmetic shows. I've learned how to straighten my hair, put on false eyelashes. I'm not alone. But I can't see anybody around me. Bet they're making faces. Anyway, I'm enjoying my retreat time, and I'm going to have fun, and I'm going to rebuild and restore, and then I'm going to go back out there and have a good time making the world a better place. And that's what I'm talking about here. Y'all going to have to stop walking around.
It's going to be like, you know you love us.
I have been working so hard trying to make myself beautiful. You can't walk for myself. I have learned so much from the YouTube video on how to make myself more beautiful. I'm whitening my teeth. I'm working on my wrinkles. And this is a wonderful clay mask made from moldy seeds. And I'm just having a really good time. But this is a really sour lemon. So I'm going to take it out. Anyway, this is Fun and Fine Art with Mary Jennings. Thank you for watching. I hope there's a mildly good video. And I'm sure you've enjoyed this. I might come back and talk some more. But right now, I'm done. I already was at home. Shoo. Is she messing with me?
No, she thinks...
Am I looking good, Steph, in the camera? Am I pretty much in the view? I can edit it. Am I looking good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Upside down, but you're looking good.